Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do another how-to video. So today is how to use a foam roller. So this is a foam roller. It's made by SXT. I got this on A-Main Hobbies. It's about $47 or so. And basically what this does is it helps you speed up the process of breaking in the tires on your car. So it works for buggies, short course. It would technically work for e-buggy or nitro A scale basically. I don't have a chuck for A scale, so for me I use it for 10 scale. So here we're gonna break in the foams on these new slicks for my short course. So basically what it does is it speeds in the process of break-in, so the foams are a little more pliable, so you have a little more traction early on. Is it necessary? No, you could do it the normal way and let it break in naturally, but if you don't have the time and you're at a race and you need to get the tires up to speed quickly, that seems to be the best option. So this is the foam roller. So you get yourself one of those chucks. This one's from Gravity RC. Put it into your drill. And you want to press down firmly. I usually put it at level 2, which is the high speed setting. You want to do it for about a minute. So I use my smartwatch, set my timer to 1 minute, and we go for it. Like I said, you want to press down firmly. It's going to get pretty hot, I guess, from the friction. Very noisy, I apologize. Alright, and that's it. So it's going to be pretty warm to the touch from the friction of the rollers, but now it's noticeably softer than it was before I started. So this is just another way to break in the tires quicker, to get you up to speed faster on the track. So again, not necessary, but this is racing. Every little edge we can use counts. So hope it helps you guys out. This has been How To's, and I'll see you at the track.